Hey guys, this is Keerthan Bhat from Gadget Park and today we are going to take a look at some of the apps which I use on a daily basis. Before starting the video, do let me know in the comment section about the apps which you guys use on a daily basis. We will try all the apps mentioned in the comment section. Alright, the first app in my list is my music streaming service, that's Amazon Prime Music. I think they need to improve their library a little bit, which will make Amazon Prime Music one of the best music streaming app. I like Amazon Prime Music over others because usually whenever I open the app I get to see the songs which I want to listen to. So that's about my music streaming service. Talking about my video consumption, there is a tie between two apps. Obviously the most famous ones, Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. Both the apps are my favorite video consumption apps because Amazon Prime Video offers more Indian content whereas Netflix offers more of international content. Netflix has some great originals whereas Amazon Prime Video has some new good movies. Usually I wait for every weekend so that I get to see some new movies on Amazon Prime Video. The next app in my list is my photo editor Google Snapseed, and I must say it can do wonders. If you study the app well and if you know to use the app really well, this app can do wonders. It's nothing less than Photoshop or Lightroom. It can do most of the things which these softwares can do. If you are just learning photo editing or photography, I must say you should install Google Snapseed. It will help you a lot. The next app in my list is my food partner, Swiggy. Why Swiggy? Because the fast deliveries, the wide options and the wide coverage of their service. I feel that it is a little bit better than other food delivery apps in terms of delivery and UI of the app. We all hate getting spam messages, right? So the SMS app of my choice is SMS Organizer by Microsoft. This app has three categories: primary, transactions and promotions. Most of the SMS which I get which are spam usually goes to the promotions tab. We do not get notifications for the SMS which are in the promotions tab. If we want to look at any of the transactions we made, or if we want to just check out the OTP which I just received, I will go to my transactions tab and everything is right there. Quite simplified. Coming to the last app in the list is Truecaller, my dialer. I use Truecaller for two reasons. One, to find out who's calling. I get a lot of spam calls, so I usually check who's calling before picking it up. And the second thing, again, it offers dark mode. So if any app is offering dark mode, I'll be the first one to try it. So that's about the apps which I use on a regular basis. Do comment down your favorite apps in the comment section so that all of us get a chance to try the good ones. So that's pretty much it guys for this video. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you liked it. Vote it down if you didn't. Comment down if you have any thoughts or if you have any feedback. Subscribe for more such content. This is Keerthan Bhat signing off. Have a great day. Bye bye now.